Bright Money is hiring Frontend SDE software development engineer interns in Bangalore. It's a hybrid role open to 2026, 2027, and 2028 graduates. If you know React and want real production experience at a fast growing fintech, this video has everything you need to apply and need to know. I'll be giving all the information in the next 10 minutes. So, about the company, Bright is a consumer fintech company helping people manage and pay down the debt using AI and data science mostly. So, backed by Falcon Edge and Hummingbird, it is based on San Francisco and Bangalore. It is building a global market around itself, so it runs its own tech called Money Science. It's a system that crunches huge amounts of user data daily. It personalizes financial plans too. So it's a one of top US fintech companies by scale with hundreds of thousands of users being implemented and used on a regular daily basis. So let me give a small role overview. It's a Frontend SDE Intern. So eligible batches are probably 2026, 2027 and 2028. The work mode will be hybrid. So for few days you have to go to office and the next few days you have to work from at home or from anywhere. That's your responsibility. So it's a hybrid mode and location is probably Bangalore. What you will be actually doing in this company or the role you're going to prefer is what I'm going to tell you now. You'll be building responsive UI components using React for web. Bonus, if you know React Native, mobile interface is a part of scope too, right? So convert Figma designs into clean, usable code. So the Figma is a huge part of it. Even the performance optimization, including the lazy loading and code splitting, memoization, you'll be working on these parts too. So you'll also be finding the cross-browser compatibility and smooth performance across multiple devices. You'll be integrating frontend with backend, handling APIs, balancing and handling most of async data, and you'll be also following accessibility and SEO best practices for the smooth running of website. You'll be debugging and improving code quality too. So what they're actually looking for, the skills. So they're looking for strong fundamentals in web development, working knowledge of React. React is code, right? It's not optional. You have to have a good knowledge about the React which you are going to work in this internship. So React Native exposure is a bonus. So it's cherry on top. If you have it, that's good. But it's not that mandatory for you to have it. Understanding of performance optimization techniques basically, and front-end best practices you have to follow to get to best website building. So let me give you a tip here. Having 1 to 2 real projects on GitHub, even personal ones, will make your application totally stand out from rest. All other applications will be standing out, but with your 1 to 2 real projects on GitHub, you will make it to the internship. So those are the skills and tips you have to have. And the next thing is this internship worth it? So what I'm going to tell you is it's totally worth it. You're working on a product real user depending on not a toy. It's not a toy project, it's a real environment with seniors you'll be working, you'll be gaining a lot of knowledge. It's a fast-paced, and high ownership fintech environment. You'll be learning a lot about the beginning of your intern life, exposure to both web and mobile front end, strong learning curve, working alongside senior engineers. High performing interns often get considered for full time roles, probably. So if you're good to go with the knowledge you have right now and you're able to perform really well in the internship, You'll be probably converted to full-time roles too, and they will share the PPO details once you get that full-time offer. So now I'll tell you how to apply for this. So till now we have covered about bright money, what it is, how it works, how it is backed up by, and roles and responsibilities, what we have to have the knowledge about to get to join as an intern, and performance optimization, what are the skills required, who are eligible, who can apply. Now let's just continue with how to apply with a step-by-step process of application. I'll also give you some resume tips to stand out. So I have provided a link in the description. You can click that. Once you get to that link, if you open that link and scroll down, you'll find the button as apply for position. Once you find it and click that thing, so fill out the application. All the application form will be consisting of your personal information, as usual, like whatever the personal details they'll be asking for, and then fill out those informations. Be honest with the information and upload your resume. Highlight any React or React Native projects if you have prominently, and be ready for an assessment round. Typically, it includes coding or DSA style questions. So, brush up on a fundamental JS fundamentals most probably. So, brushing up on JS fundamentals would be helpful for you. And don't forget to apply as early as possible, because these roles like these fill up pretty quickly. So I would also like to give you a few resume tips here. And first it would be the React projects. Basically they are asking for most of React. So lead with React projects, not just coursework, but real life implementation. Mention any performance optimization work you have done. Even if it is small projects, don't forget to mention anything about React you have worked on. If you have deployed anything live using Vercel or Netlify, don't forget to link it to, you can link it. Keep resume to one page. Prioritize relevant skills at the top. And even if you're making it 2 pages, don't just bluff all the skills you have. Mention whatever the real things and skills you have learned and done, and highlight the React part, because they are looking for most of React knowledgeable people, and they could be able to work on React as interns. So apply for the link, apply for the job, and the link is in the description below. If you are a 2026, 2027, and 2028 graduate, don't miss out on this opportunity, because it's a great opportunity. It's hybrid mode, and more probably it's India. It's based on India. You don't even need to have visas and everything. And if you know React, don't sit on this. Apply today. Don't miss on this great opportunity. And don't forget to drop a comment if you get shortlisted. I'd love to hear about it. And like, subscribe, share. I'll see you in the next video.